Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to make for you Tasty's Scratch Apple Pie. I got this recipe obviously from Tasty. I surfed the internet the other night for scratch recipes for apple pie, and I came across Tasty's and thought, well, maybe I should try Tasty's and maybe something will happen. Tasty, give me a shout out. But now here we go. For the pie crust, you will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter, 8 tablespoons of iced aqua. But seriously, you might not need that many though. For the pie filling, you will need 2.5 pounds of Granny Smith apples, cored, sliced, and peeled, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, another tablespoon of sugar, and 1 egg, 1/2 lemon. Just squeeze. And I know this recipe calls for 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, but I do not have any. So, Tasty is owned by Buzzfeed, and Buzzfeed and Tasty should give me a shout out. First, mix together your flour and your salt. And then, once you mix that together, mix in your cubed butter with a fork. But eventually your arm's going to get tired like mine did, and you're going to say, forget this, you're going to find something else better to mix it with. And now, little by little, mix in that iced aqua until you form a big old ball of dough. Next, chill for an hour inside your refrigerator. While you're waiting, peel, core, and slice those apples with better utensils than what my ass had to use. And now take those apples and pour in your sugar, your flour, your salt, your cinnamon, your nutmeg, and squeeze that lemon, then mix it all together, and then put it in your refrigerator to chill. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now it's time to break out that ball of dough and cut it in 2 pieces and then roll them both out to about 1/8 of an inch thick. And then roll your bottom shell onto your rolling pin and then unroll onto your 9.5 inch pie pan. Next, fill up with your apples and then put on the top shell and press down firmly. And now with a knife, trim all the way around and then take your fork and do the crimpy little forky thingy all the way around your pie. And now beat up 1 chicken embryo and then spread it all over your apple pie. And then take your knife and then stab 4 little holes into it. And then spread your sugar. And now finally, pop that bad boy into the oven for 50 minutes to an hour. And then whenever you take it back out, this is what it should look like. Buzzfeed, Tasty, please recognize me. And now for that inevitable taste test. Here's what it looks like. Oh, looks good. I'm going to have to sit it down for a second. My tripod kind of broke, so I'm balancing this on my leg as we speak. Here we go. You did it, Tasty. That was good. Oh, yes. I think the sugar on top is a nice addition. Everything comes together just perfect. Crust is nice, the apples are nice, everything. Oh, yeah, everyone. This just all came together perfect. So I'm going to finish eating this and I'm going to go to bed. So have a great night, everyone.